today we're going to bring a LED light, and this is a perfect night light for anything. If you're going to put it near your bed, or if you want to do it near your office or anywhere in your desk, this is a perfect way to do it. Now they give you instructions and perfect examples of how to set it up. They give you a double-sided adhesive so you could paste it if you don't want to actually mount anything to your walls, because they also give you the drywall mounts, if you guys can see that. Now, they do give you the power supply, the power to charge it up, and it's type A to type C. And then they give you this that you could mount this up if you want, or you could do the double-sided tape, like I said, if you don't want to make any indentations in your walls. This is perfect. Now, this metal piece, the small ball metal piece, is actually not magnetic. The magnetic piece is right underneath the actual light. And I'm going to show you the actual light. This is actual real wood, all right? LED built into the wood, if you guys can see. Off and on, it's engraved in laser, if you guys can see that. Nothing in the back, and just the magnetic area and the charging area. See, so to turn it on is very simple. It's a touch mode, right? You just touch it there, and it's only one tone of light, and that's pretty much what it is. So let's put it to use and see how it looks at night by a bed or by somebody's. You can use this as a reading light too, also. And if you drop something underneath the bed, you could take this off the actual mount itself because it's magnetic. You can take it off and use this as a regular flashlight, or you can mount this in your closet if you want as an option. Very simple to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.